Hey howdy, hey y'all, Leanna here, and in this edition of What's on the Porch from November and December, I bring you my very last two American Influencer Award beauty bundles. I have canceled my subscription to this subscription box, and I will tell you in a future video why I decided to cancel this box. But I wanted to show you what's in the boxes because I did not have an opportunity to unbox them, so that you will know what were in these boxes when we get to the video that's coming in the future. So the November box was all Alamar Cosmetics. Normally I do these and try them on, but obviously I'm not going to have time to do that. So we will just quickly go through the products. The first item that we have is an Alamar Pressed Pigment palette. It's a very pretty little palette. I cannot decide whether or not I want to keep it, so I'm not going to swatch it for you, but this palette retails for $28. It really does have a pretty color story. I am loving that shade right there. Looks like it might have just a little bit of a shift to it. Very pretty. Then we have a highlighter, which I had been wanting to try one of their highlighters. This is the Sun Soaked High Shine highlighter, and this retails for $20. I love the packaging on this one. La Arena Sun Soaked Highlighter is what it says on the sheet, and it has a mirror in it, but look at how pretty that is. And you know I love the embossing. I know I'm keeping this. That is like buttery smooth. Oh, look at how pretty that is. That is so pretty. Absolutely the wrong tone, I think, for my skin, but I'm keeping it anyway because I have a thing for highlighters. And then we have this Plumping Lip Water. This retails for $20, and it says lip water or aqua fresca lip water. You get one or the other, and I think it's the shade Aqua Ardente, I think is what I have here. An innovative hyaluronic acid infused lip plumper that uses temperature to visibly plump the lips. Aqua Fresca lip water will provide an icy cooling sensation, while her spicy sister Aqua Ardente lip water will provide a red hot tingle. I got the red hot tingle because there's the cooling sensation one. I'd rather have the cooling one. I am not much into hot stuff, but I'm going to give that a try. I have lipstick on, so I'm not going to try it. Then we have a Wet Shine highlighting brush. This retails for $14. Very pretty. I have a lot of brushes, so I'm not going to keep that. That will go in your giveaway box. And then I have three more Alamar brushes. These retail for $18, and it is, you either get Brush Trio Volume 1 or Volume 2. They're made with 100% synthetic fibers. And I have had this brush set before, and I ended up decluttering it, but they're very soft. It's a nice little brush set. I know quite a few people who like those, so that as well will go in your giveaway box. The total value of the November box comes to $100 for the Alamar products. And now moving on to December. December we have Touch and Soul, which I was kind of sort of looking forward to some of these products. We have the Pretty Filter Waterfall Glow Cream, and this retails for $38. It's ultra hydrating Moisture Gel Cream is instantly absorbed into the skin to calm, soothe, and minimize signs of aging. Oh, that's pretty. Very pretty. Is it that color? Is it see-through? Yep, it's that color. Okay, it is very jelly. Has a very, very light scent to it. Waterful Glow Cream. So I will definitely give that a try because it is a gel. My skin does not do well with heavy creams for some reason, or heavy lotions. Then we have Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. This retails for $32, and this is a 2-in-1 moisturizing water-based balm that calms the skin while restoring radiance and delivering a hydrating, priming finish to enhance makeup application. So it's a primer, glassy skin balm. This is what the packaging looks like. That's interesting, and that is very thick, as you can see. It has a very interesting scent to it. I don't know if I will keep that or not because it is kind of thick. Lightweight Balm Cream. Delivers dewy, glowy skin in one step for a glassy, laminated skin perfecting and skin perfected and born in Korea. It's loaded with hydrating botanical damask rose water, shea butter, and sunflower seed oil. Yes, no, I will not be using that. That will go in your box. And then we have the No PorBlem eye primer. This retails for $22. No crease, no smudging. Perfect eye makeup without smudging. Airy Smooth Eye Primer creates a crease and smudge-proof canvas to prevent oily lids. Apply and let dry before applying glitter makeup, eyeshadow, or liner to get intense color payoff. So that's very interesting. It has that sponge tip. So I will keep that and give that a try. That's interesting. And then we have Stretchex. Get the look of false lashes in a single stroke. This is mascara, and this retails for $18. Top-selling mascara features a unique super light and elastic formula to create buildable lash length that lasts all day and takes your lashes to the extreme. It has a stretch polymer that gives the look of false lashes. And does it tell me what the shade is? It does not. There's what the packaging looks like. Very nice packaging. It is black. I actually like that very thin wand on it. Does not smell like chemicals. You know, sometimes they will have a very chemical smell. So that's nice. I will keep that. And the last item in the box is this No PoreBlem Primer. Smooth and pore covering, top secret for perfect makeup. This retails for $18, and it's the original K-Beauty primer. Has an airy formula that refines pores and minimizes their size instantly. So I'm guessing Touch in Seoul is a Korean beauty. So I will keep that and try it. That's what it looks like. It has a very light scent. It feels good. Doesn't feel silicone-y. Sometimes those That actually does feel really nice. Those silicone type primers will not play nice with my skincare products. Alrighty, I will be keeping that and giving that a try. So that's all of the items in the December AIA Beauty box, and the December box comes to $128. My very last AIA Beauty Bundle. I have been subscribed to them for an entire year. I will be doing a video about that experience and sharing some things with you. So stay tuned for that. So thanks so much for hanging out with me while I unbox my November and December AIA Beauty Bundle. Before you go, make sure you show that like button some love, and as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are, and we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today, pull your makeup out and play with it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Oh, Christopher, I'm going to need you to send me an email and let me know what kind of beauty tips you're needing, because I need an update. Is all this stuff helping? Are you experienced enough now that I don't need to tell you what to do anymore? Yeah, I doubt that. Okay, Mama loves you. Are you watching? Are you watching? That's my question.